This short video, produced by the Eurochem Method Validation Working Group, discusses the importance of demonstrating the validity of analytical methods and introduces Eurochem guidance on the topic. Millions of measurements and tests are carried out every day in laboratories around the world. The results underpin important activities such as valuing good for trade purposes, supporting healthcare, checking the quality of pharmaceuticals, drinking water and food, and providing evidence in criminal investigations. Virtually every aspect of society is supported in some way by analytical work. The cost of laboratory work is high, and additional costs may arise from decisions made on the basis of the results. Tests showing food to be unfit for consumption is a public health concern, which impacts on trade for food business operators and may result in compensation claims by customers. Confirmation of the presence of banned drugs could result in imprisonment. Clearly, it is important to demonstrate that results are reliable. Method validation is the process of demonstrating whether a method is fit for a particular purpose. In other words, can the method produce results that are sufficiently reliable for the task at hand? A method validation study will require the laboratory to investigate several method performance characteristics. Exactly which characteristics are studied will depend on the analytical application. Verification of the performance of a standard method generally requires less work than validation of a method developed in-house. Any legislative or sectoral requirements must also be considered. While most analysts know that method validation is important, understanding exactly when and how to complete a validation study may present challenges. To help laboratories plan and execute appropriate validation studies, the Eurochem Method Validation Working Group has produced a guide on the fitness for purpose of analytical methods. First published in 1998, the third edition of the guide was published in February 2025. The guide covers all stages of the validation process, from planning through to data analysis and reporting. Detailed information on how to assess the various method performance characteristics is given, along with quick reference tables which summarize suitable experiments and data analysis. The guide also discusses how validation data can be used for setting up internal quality control. This is required to ensure that analytical methods continue to produce reliable results during day-to-day use. Recognizing the importance of planning in relation to method validation, the working group has also produced supplementary guidance on planning and reporting validation studies. Blank materials are widely used in validation, and a second supplement covers this topic in detail. The working group has also produced an information leaflet highlighting the importance of method validation. The guide, supplements and leaflet can be downloaded free of charge from the publications section of the Eurochem website. The working group hopes that this guidance will help laboratory staff to plan and complete effective validation studies, thus helping to ensure the reliability of their measurement results. To find out more about Eurochem activities, follow us on social media and subscribe to our mailing list.